Ever been caught with a low battery just when you needed your Galaxy S25 Ultra the most? Imagine having a power bank that not only charges your device, but also acts as a sturdy stand for hands-free convenience. Intrigued? You're in the right place. Welcome to MyAccessoriesTrench, your trusted hub for all things accessories. Today, we're diving into the 5 best Galaxy S25 Ultra power banks with built-in stands, the ultimate gadgets for charging on the go while keeping your phone propped up for seamless multitasking. These picks combine functionality, style, and cutting-edge features. Whether you're streaming, working, or just enjoying a hands-free experience, we've got you covered. Check out the links in the description to grab your favorite. Ready to supercharge your Galaxy S25 Ultra experience? Let's jump in. On number 5 is VRK Portable Charger. Did you know there's a power bank that doubles as a wall charger and folds for easy portability? Meet the VRK Portable Charger, a powerhouse designed to keep your Galaxy S25 Ultra and other devices juiced up no matter where life takes you. This 20,000 mAh marvel isn't just about capacity, it's about convenience. With its 90-degree folding design, you can tuck it into your bag effortlessly. And forget about carrying multiple cables. It has built-in micro, USB-C, and Lightning connectors, plus USB input/output ports for unmatched versatility. It supports 22.5 W QC fast charging, which means your Galaxy S25 Ultra gets charged in record time, even when powering up 3 devices simultaneously. The intelligent LED display ensures you're always aware of the battery level. Recharge it via the wall plug in 11 hours, or use a 9V/2A cable for a quicker 6-hour refill. It's lightweight yet robust, making it perfect for travel. Whether you're streaming, gaming, or working, this charger is a game changer. What do you think? Does it make your must-have list? Let us know. At number 4 is Anker MagGo Power Bank. What if I told you there's a power bank that's sleek, portable, and packed with power? Meet the Anker MagGo Power Bank, a game changer for anyone looking to keep their Galaxy S25 Ultra or other devices charged in style. At just 0.58 by 2.78 by 4.09 inches, this is Anker's slimmest design yet, perfect for slipping into your pocket or bag without adding bulk. But don't let its size fool you. With 15W Qi 2 certified wireless charging, it can power up your Galaxy S25 Ultra or other devices at lightning speed. The 30W USB-C port adds versatility, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of gadgets. The 10,000 mAh capacity means it's ideal for everyday use or travel, offering nearly 2 full charges for most phones. Plus, the matte finish and sturdy metal frame make it as stylish as it is durable. Its ergonomic design and aerogel thermal insulation keep it cool to the touch, even during heavy use. It's the ultimate combination of portability and performance. What's your favorite feature? Let us know in the comments. On number 3 is a Muto Slim Portable Charger. What if your power bank could be as sleek and powerful as your devices? Meet the Muto Slim Portable Charger, an innovative solution designed to meet the fast-paced needs of modern users, especially for Galaxy S25 Ultra fans. With a 10,000 mAh capacity and 30W fast charging, this little gem packs a punch. It's not just about numbers, it's about experience. The Muto charger supports up to 25W for Galaxy S series, meaning your device can go from 0 to 100% in no time. Plus, it's a game changer for Google Pixel users too, being the world's first portable charger tailored for those devices. At just 5.4 by 2.6 by 0.6 inches and weighing only 7 ounces, it's 35% thinner, 20% smaller, and 30% lighter than its competitors, making it perfect for travel. You can easily slip it into your pocket and carry it anywhere, even on planes. The USB-C input and output allow for quick recharges, fully powered in just 2 hours. With impressive speed and portability, this charger is a must-have for anyone on the go. What do you think? Would this fit your charging needs? Let us know below. At number 2 is Taura's power bank. Did you know that your power bank can be both compact and incredibly powerful? Enter the Taura's power bank, your new best friend for on-the-go charging, especially for Galaxy S25 Ultra users. This impressive 10,000 mAh charger offers a remarkable 22.5-watt fast charging output and a 20-watt input, allowing you to power up your devices quickly. What sets it apart? The built-in Type-C cable doubles as a carrying strap, making it incredibly convenient for daily use. Crafted from durable rock-climbing rope material, it's not only stylish, but also built to last. Weighing just 6.4 ounces and measuring a slim 0.6 inches thick, this power bank fits perfectly in your pocket, making it ideal for travel, camping, or outdoor adventures. Plus, it's compatible with all USB-C devices, ensuring you can keep everything powered up. With premium safety features and effective heat management, the Taura's power bank guarantees efficient performance. What do you think? Does this power bank have what it takes to be your go-to charging solution? Let us know in the comments. Now moving to the last one is MyAccessoriesTrench wireless portable charger. Imagine never having to deal with messy charging cables again. The MyAccessoriesTrench wireless portable charger is here to revolutionize the way you power up your devices. This sleek 5,000 mAh power bank is perfect for Galaxy S25 Ultra users and anyone who craves convenience on the go. With a unique motorized suction cup feature, simply press this charger onto the back of your phone and it holds securely in place. It's almost like having a second battery at your fingertips. And when you're ready to detach, just a press of a button makes it effortless. Lightweight and compact, this charger lets you stay mobile while your device powers up. Plus, it's compatible with a wide range of smartphones, including Samsung, Google, and iPhone. Say goodbye to tangled cords and hello to hassle-free charging. With handy LED indicators showing remaining power, you'll always know when it's time to recharge. What do you think? Could this be your new favorite accessory? Let us know in the comments. So guys, this was a video about the 5 best Galaxy S25 Ultra power banks with built-in stand. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.